Lucky on that occasion, Dravid, to start off with a boundary. He was looking to work it on the onside. Goes for it. Will get a boundary. He's flashed and he's flashed hard. Edged and taken. Very good catch. Pakistan can't do anything wrong at the moment. It's Tony who has to depart. Good shot. That's four through the covers. Pull shot from Dravid. That's a lovely shot. That's four. His third boundary. Another punch down the wicket for another four. And it's not the bat. This guy has some great skills. Tremendous shot. The bowling.
That is a big wicket. Yuvraj Singh is being bowled by one that skidded through and kept low. The high backlift just helping to play it onto the stumps. Now this is a big wicket for Pakistan.
It's nicely played off his legs. Starts off with a boundary, Kev. He's got it through. Excellent timing. It was a mere push into the gap. It's gone for four. That's nice. Played through the mid-wicket. Yusuf Yohana running. And he just gave it up. Beautiful shot. Right onto his legs, just clipped it. Beautiful. Shot. He's played it very fine indeed. And once it passes that circle, there's no chance for the fielder. Splendid shot.
So they've readjusted and they're doing it well, these two now.